Ever had a terrible hangover and didn't know how to deal with it? Well, today you're in luck, because we're going to reveal the secrets to swiftly conquering that throbbing headache and queasy stomach. First things first, what causes a hangover? When you consume alcohol, your body breaks it down into acetaldehyde, a substance that's far more toxic and can lead to symptoms like nausea, headaches, and fatigue, all the things we associate with a hangover. Step 1 in your hangover recovery mission is to hydrate. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it makes you urinate more and can lead to dehydration. So, your first line of defense is to drink water, and plenty of it. Rehydrating helps to dilute the impurities left in your stomach and aids your body in flushing them out. Next up, consider taking some over-the-counter pain relief. Non-prescription drugs like ibuprofen or aspirin can help take the edge off that pounding headache. Just be sure not to reach for acetaminophen. Why? Because it can cause liver damage when mixed with alcohol. Feeling a little peckish? Now's the time to eat something, not just anything though. Opt for foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Bananas, avocados, or a bowl of oatmeal can do wonders. They're packed with potassium and magnesium, nutrients that your body loses when you drink alcohol. If the thought of food makes you feel queasy, try ginger. This root has been used for centuries to help with nausea and vomiting. Brew up a cup of ginger tea and you might find your stomach settles. Don't forget to catch up on some sleep. Alcohol can interfere with your sleep cycle, leaving you feeling exhausted the next day, so get some shut-eye and allow your body to recover. Lastly, consider some light exercise. A short walk in the fresh air can boost your mood and help you feel better. Just remember not to push too hard. Your body is already working overtime to get rid of the toxins from the alcohol. In summary, getting over a hangover involves rehydrating with plenty of water, taking over-the-counter pain relief, eating nutrient-rich foods, trying ginger for nausea, getting plenty of rest, and doing some light exercise. Hangovers are essentially your body's reaction to poisoning and dehydration, so treating them effectively means treating these two issues. Remember, the only surefire way to avoid a hangover is not to drink at all, or to drink in moderation. But if you do find yourself suffering after a night of indulgence, these steps should help you on the road to recovery.